Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can appear as inactive or offline in Messenger, or in other words, how you can disable your active status on Messenger. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in the chats menu in Messenger. This is what appears if you just launch the app. And to actually disable your active status, what you need to do is go into the hamburger menu in the top left, click that, and then click on the gear icon, which are the settings. From here, as you can see, you'll see all your account settings on Messenger, and as you can see, the second option from the top is active status. You just want to click on that, and then you'll be able to either show when you're active together or not. You can disable that, or show when you're active in general, and you can just disable that if you want. Now, as you can see, you can select for 1 hour, 8 hours, until the next day, or 24 hours, or you can set a custom time, which can be indefinite, or until I change it, and then you can just click pause, and then your active status will be paused. For example, if I do it until I change it, as you can see, it deactivates everything, and you won't show as active on Messenger. Now, that is pretty much it. As I mentioned, you can disable when you're active together, because as you can see, your friends and connections can see when you're active together on Messenger if they're active in the same time as you. But if you just want to show them when you're not if you don't want to show your activity at all, you just disable it this way, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.